Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of two different Holmes Air purifiers here. I got these from Target. This one was on sale for about 63 bucks. I think normally almost 70. And the smaller one there was $40 not on sale. Got them both from Target. Good prices for what they are. I got excellent reviews online. So no, this is not really animal related like most of my channel is. But there's something in my house which I'm guessing is from the birds or the cat or the dog or something, some of the animals in my house, that makes my congestion just horrible. So I'm hoping these will help. I'm gonna stick one. I have one in my room right now, a different brand. I'm gonna stick one in our basement where our birds are. And actually, I'm gonna stick the other one in our bathroom, my bathroom, because for some reason my nose goes nuts in the bathroom. So let's start off with the bigger one here. So two. These both do allergen removing, dust elimination, smoke, and then odors. Both of them will do that. So you got a pre-filter, it has an ionizer, the HEPA, how do you say that? Filter for clean air. And then this one, hopefully you guys can see here, but it has a rating of 130 for smoke, 149 for dust, and 171 for pollen. Whereas the smaller one here has 70 for smoke, 75 for dust, and 76 for pollen. So it's about not even half of what the big one does. So that's gonna be in my little bathroom. So go ahead and open this up. So of course you get some paperwork, like with most things. Alright, nothing else is in there. But again, this is Holmes, which I don't know, you guys let me know, is that a name brand? I do not know. It's about half the price of Honeywell, I'll tell you that. Honeywell is very expensive. Then before I do forget though, this big one's supposed to be up to 202 square foot. Again, it was only like 970 bucks normally priced. Whereas like the Honeywell like 75 square foot one was like $80, I think. 75 bucks. So there we go. It looks pretty nice. I'll show both of these off a bit better at the end of the video when I take my camera off the tripod here. And I'll show this off a bit better. But yeah, it looks nice actually. It looks really nice. Again, I'll show this off a bit here, a bit better. Just take both these out of the boxes first. Okay, and then this guy does it's supposed to be 109 square foot room. Kind of looks like a projector. Not gonna lie, kind of looks like a projector. So everything's really up top. You have the different levels here. You have, it starts off with 0, then 0, 3, 2, 1. This, I'm gonna guess, is the ionizer button on here. This front looks like it can come off. I'll try that in a second when I'm not holding on to it, but I don't drop the thing. Yeah, so everything's on the front and the top for the most part. Nothing on the sides. And that's what the bottom looks like on the small guy. Take off the front end, that's where you'll find your filter. And on this piece here too, there is the, I'm gonna guess that's the carbon filter on the small one. Then take off the HEPA filter, that's what you're left with. And it just snaps into these little You guys, I can't really see, but there's little black bits that goes into here. Then here's the top of the big one. So again, you have different levels here. That doesn't want to focus. But again, you have 0, 3, 2, 1. This looks to be the ionizer there. And this looks to be so you can so you know when to change out the filter. So I guess you can say, okay, I put this one in January. Well, it's March. Put it in March, and you want to do, I don't know, 3 months later. I don't know what the expected lifespan of these filters are. Maybe March, so March, April, May, and June. Replace it in June or July. Beginning of July, something like that. Then you have the actual filter here. So there's 2 of them. One fell off of it. So this is how the other one was too, where you have these little black things here that this part just goes into. So then when you have them in there, they actually look like that. And then just like on the smaller one too, there's this carbon filter on the front of the front, or the back of the front here. And then this is supposed to be so you can see into it, apparently. I'm not exactly sure. This little window thing here. So you can see kind of into your filter and see how it works or something like that. Yeah, and then there it is with the front on. Yeah, so to see how well these work, like I said, they got very good reviews on, at least on Target.com. They're not too expensive. Again, it's about $70 for the big one, normal price, and the small guy is $40. Again, that really does look like a projector. I can be watching a movie off of it or something. Yeah, alright guys, thank you for watching. Like I said, hopefully these will get rid of, hopefully they'll help with my congestion in the house, which has something to do with something that's in the house. Airborne, apparently. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys think of these, if you have one especially. Guys, see you guys next time. Have a good one. I really do appreciate it. Goodbye.